The gay Igbo man who is glowy, juicy, sexy, moisturized and unbothered, protected by my ancestors, divinely protected and doing everything wonderful. I want to go and check something that I've been thinking about forever. Come, let's go. It's going to always be a good one. I went and got a dungarees in sky blue. I saw this like a few weeks ago, I think, and I really liked them. So I tried two of them. One is from Levi's and this one from Dickies. And this one from Dickies is the better fit. It looks really good. I love the way it fits, and I have it in my head how I'm going to style it. Workwear chic. I want to go to a camera store where I spoke to them about a particular camera and I don't know what they've been doing. So I'm just going to go there again quickly and check, then see what's up. I just came out of the camera store. Some people don't really know what customer service is called. The main guy I wanted to speak with was in a meeting, so he came out of his meeting and I spoke to him. He is such a wonderful guy. Will take his time and explain things to you. You ask him questions, he's eager to help. Like really friendly guy. I stayed longer than I should, but it's one of those things. Oh my goodness, today's weather has been wayward. It snowed in places. It is raining right now. It is messy. We have a maintenance going on at home. Because of that, we don't have light. So hopefully the light should be
back on. It's not the light, it's electricity. Electricity. The lily is off.
Anywho, thank you so much for spending some time with this juicy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated, unbothered Igbo homosexual from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State. Everybody in my village knows I'm a gay man. Thank you for joining the movement for visibility, truth and representation. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.